Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are doing well and may have revised the previously learned topics. So now, our today's topic is Earth, a unique planet. Earth is unique as it supports life, unlike any other known planet. It hosts diverse life forms, from microscopic bacteria to large mammals and humans. Life thrives due to the combination of land, air, water, and moderate temperature. The biosphere, a sphere of life. Life exists in the intersection of lithosphere, land, atmosphere, air, and hydrosphere, water. This interconnected system is termed the biosphere. All forms of life depend on these spheres for sustenance and contribute to their dynamics. Interdependence in the natural world. Connection with natural elements. Life forms depend on air, water, land, and sunshine for survival. They form part of a complex food chain where one organism feeds another. Symbiotic relationships enable mutual exchange of essential substances. Plants, primary producers. Plants produce food through photosynthesis, utilizing sunlight, air, and nutrients from the soil. Soil nutrients are derived from organic matter decayed by bacteria and fungi. Nitrogen in the soil, fixed by bacteria, is critical for plant growth. Consumers, herbivores and carnivores. Herbivores like deer, cattle, and elephants consume plants directly. Carnivores like tigers, birds, and fishes depend indirectly on plants by consuming herbivores. Role of decomposers. Bacteria and fungi decompose dead plants and animals into organic compounds. These compounds enrich the soil, continuing the cycle of life. Ecological crisis, disturbances in the cycle of life. Disruptions in natural cycles can lead to ecological crisis. Example, extinction of a plant-eating species can cause unchecked plant growth, disrupting ecosystems. Impact of pollution. Industrial chemicals pollute air, water, and soil. Poisonous metals like mercury enter food chains, harming aquatic life and human health. Case study, vultures and diclofenac. Farmers used diclofenac to treat cattle, which led to kidney failure in vultures consuming carcasses. This brought vultures to the brink of extinction, affecting ecological balance. Natural vegetation. Natural vegetation is classified into 1. Forests, found in regions with ample rainfall and sunshine. 2. Grasslands, develop in areas with moderate rainfall. 3. Shrubs, found in arid or dry regions. 4. Tundra vegetation, found in cold climates, consisting of mosses, lichens, and small shrubs. Types of forests. 1. Tropical evergreen forests. Location, near the equator, regions with hot climates and heavy rainfall. Characteristics. Evergreen trees due to absence of a dry season. Thick canopies block sunlight from reaching the forest floor. Common trees, rosewood, ebony, mahogany. 2. Tropical deciduous forests. Location, India, Northern Australia, and Central America. Characteristics. Trees shed leaves in the dry season to conserve water. Common trees, sal, teak, neem, shisham. Animals, tigers, lions, elephants, langurs, and monkeys. 3. Temperate evergreen forests. Location, mid-latitudinal coastal regions like Southeast USA, South China, and Brazil. Characteristics. Mixture of hard and softwood trees such as oak, pine, and eucalyptus. 4. Temperate deciduous forests. Location, higher latitudes, including the USA, China, and Europe. Characteristics. Trees shed leaves in the dry season. Common trees, oak, ash, birch. Animals, deer, foxes, wolves, and pheasants. 5. Mediterranean vegetation. Location: regions around the Mediterranean Sea, California, and SW, Australia. Characteristics: adapted to dry summers with thick barks and waxy leaves. Common crops: citrus fruits like oranges, olives, figs, and grapes. 6. Coniferous forests, taiga. Location: high latitudes, 50 degrees to 70 degrees, and altitudes like the Himalayas. Characteristics: tall, evergreen softwood trees like fir, pine, and cedar. Animals: silver fox, mink, polar bear. Uses: wood for paper, matchboxes, and packaging. Thanks for watching.